Hey guys, Smitty here with Just Piddling Barbecue and Outdoors. Summer is right around the corner, and that means outdoor activities, pool days, beach days, hot sun, and that means also protecting your eyes from the sun. Every time I get an expensive pair of sunglasses, I either lose them or they get broken. Today I have a great alternative for expensive sunglasses, and I'm going to share that with you right after the intro. The model that I have on now is the JF 139 in the orange lenses, white frames, orange accent colors. They match Rocky perfectly. They brighten up everything with, at the same time, giving you a good eye protection from the sun. Very clear, polarized. These are they're fishing series sunglasses, polarized lenses, very clear, comfortable, well built. And then on the inside of the case is a cleaning cloth to go with it. The model I have on now is JF 129 black on black. These are Jefu Sports polarized sunglasses with floating frames. So if you drop these in the water, you're not going to lose them. They're going to be floating on the water so you can retrieve them. Very nice design, very nice sunglasses. And here's the cleaning cloth you get with it, the zip or the drawstring bag, and the zip carry case that protects them when you don't have them on. The style that I have on now is JF 239. It's in the ice blue with the black frames and has some blue accents on the inside. Really like these as well. Look good by the pool or in the Caribbean Ocean. Anything that's got some blue water will be fantastic. Hey guys, Smitty here with Just Piddling Barbecue and Outdoors. Summer is right around the corner, and that means outdoor activities, pool days, beach days, hot sun, and that means also protecting your eyeballs. So check out Jefu sunglasses at jefu.com. That's JEFOO.com.